Today we are bringing you the long-awaited product install video, the Turbo R/Pro S rear limit strap kit. Before we get started, there are going to be some tools that will be required to install this product. So pause the video that we listed on the screen above. Starting off with the install, you're going to need a jack with a block of wood, or if you have a Pro Eagle or Badlands jack, use that. After jacking your vehicle up, you have to remove your rear tires. Not the fronts, but the rears. Next step is to remove your lower shock bolts and replace them with the supplied hardware. Next step is to remove your rear cage bolts. Now you're going to install the rear limit strap bracket with provided hardware. If you have a stock cage, there will be a spacer provided for a pocket inside the OEM bung. So after installing your upper brackets, before you install your limit straps, you'll need to take a look because one of the straps has a loop sewn into it, and that's for a bungee cord on the passenger side to hold the strap away from the exhaust at compression. And before installing your strap, you'll need to hold it up approximately where it'll go and double check that your heat shrink is applied in the correct space. Once you have the tires on and the suspension settled, it's time to bolt the straps up to the bracket. Next thing to do is install the provided bungee that holds the strap away from the exhaust. So you're going to remove the clevis, loop it through the fourth rung up on your spring, back through itself, through the clevis, and then through the loop on the strap. And then just tighten it up. And if you really want to, you could put a 3/8 wrench on that and snug it up. That concludes the install of our Turbo R/Pro S rear limit strap kit. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Any one of our techs can easily help you with this install.